Hello everyone, and welcome back to Handmade by Kel. Today I will be showing you guys my tutorial for the Green Goodness Bloom that I made recently. I have to tell you, every time I go into my workroom to make a bloom, I am absolutely so excited to do them. You never know how they will turn out. It's all, you have that picture in your head, and then you get something totally different, more beautiful that you can ever imagine. So let's get right into it, shall we? First, I will show you the colors that I've used, and then we will go from there. So the first one was Pearl X Green Apple. The second one is Pearl X Emerald. The next one was Arteza Shocking Lime Green. The next is Arteza Dreamy Lemon Yellow. And last but not least, we have Pearl X Coral Berry. So now you will see me pour down my pillow paint, which I use the Glidden Premium Eggshell Pure White, in base 1. Now for all of my blooms, I use Sheleeart's technique. So she has a class on doing these, and if you guys are interested, I will post her information below in the description box. So how I mix my paints and my cell activator, all of that is in her course. So you guys, please check it out. So for the rest, what I will do is kind of speed through it a little bit. I just put my paints down in the order that I wanted them to go. There was no rhyme or reason of why I poured down one paint before the other. So it's totally your preference. I also have another angle, so I don't want you guys to panic because you can't see what I'm putting down or how I'm putting it down. So don't worry about that. You will see or more clearer view in just a moment. And also when you're doing this, kind of find another, instead of using like the sticks to mix your paint and pour it on there, there you have some other like spoons that you could use that will be much better than using the sticks. It's like I can't get a lot of paint, of course, when I'm using the sticks, so I'm definitely going to use something else in the future for that. Now that all the paint is laid, we are ready to blow and spin. So you see me here spreading out this pillow paint because I think from the previous ones that I did, like I didn't like how the paint spread, so I'm just covering the top of it. And here I am blowing that out. Also, you may find, and you saw me, that was a spatter, and I think it went all over my glasses. But you will find that sometimes the paint might be thick a little bit. Again, in Shelly's tutorial and in her Facebook group, they have all kinds of ideas on what you can do to thin your paint a little bit to where it won't mess up your painting. So here I am spinning just a little, to see how it goes, and it is already beautiful to me. I absolutely love green just as much as I love purple. Um, so this actually turned out very, very beautiful to me. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If not, until next time, stay crafty.